required. Over.
Okay, today we're working on a Bosch dryer. You can see the model here. The customer complaint is that it's spinning but it won't heat. So we're verifying the complaint here. We're holding the door switch button in. There's definitely no heat coming in. You see with this little rag here, we're testing the airflow and there's no suction at all. So we definitely have a clogged airflow system, and that's definitely what caused the heat to go. It could be a heating element, could be the limiter switch, could be any one of the fuses. First, unplug the machine so you don't get electrocuted. We have to turn the water off here because this is one of the steam models. Disconnect the water line. After disconnecting the water line, we're going to take this T20 Torx bit. And first, we're going to remove the panel on the electric box. We're going to take the two Torx bits off top to remove the lid. And then there are about 20 T20 Torx screws in the back here. So I'm not going to bore you with showing you each one. I'm going to do them all in fast motion. You can have fun watching me jump around like a robot here. We're going to loosen the wires from the back of the thing here. Because when we take it off, we're going to have to feed the wires through that hole. There's 2 on top here. And then there are 5 more in the center here that we have to remove. Now we can remove the back panel and feed the power cord through this hole here. After you feed it through, you're going to move that back panel to the side. Once the back panel is to the side, we can get behind this. On the inside, there's your limiter switch. And if it clicks, it was usually blown. That's one of the good things about the Bosch. They have a reset button on the limiter switch where a lot of the Whirlpool models don't. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. We're going to remove this exhaust tube. That'll allow me to get my hand up inside the blower wheel from behind. You see me here reaching up into the blower wheel. I can feel it all the way into the blower wheel, and it's pretty clean. There's not too much in there. We're removing the exhaust tube here. It was pretty clean also. The walls of it weren't too caked up. And we're going to come around back and we're going to check the vent. This is where it exits out the side here. Now in some homes it's going to vent out to the roof, and you're probably going to want to charge extra for getting up on the roof and unclogging that. But everything was pretty clean, but when we looked deep inside the lint trap here, there was a ton of stuff. There were quarters, there were bobby pins, there was a little sock, there was just about everything in there. We're just going to put it in fast forward. I'm not going to bore you with showing it all. Once we get it all unclogged and removed everything from there, we're going to put the whole thing back together again. And once again, we're going to do that in fast motion here and feed the cord back through the hole. Place the back panel back on top and secure those 2 top T20 Torx screws first. And then we got to put in all 20 or so of those Torx screws. And put the lid back on. Remember, there's 2 T20 Torx screws that hold that lid on. Good. And we got to return the exhaust line, plug the machine back in, reconnect the steam water, turn the water back on, come around front and verify that we did our job. And the heat's working fine. It's tumbling. We went around the back and we had good airflow out the back side. Get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day.